Hi, my fellow investors. This is Andres, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my M1 Finance portfolio called the Moneymaker. So I just completed my 37th week of investing on M1 Finance, and I'm gonna tell you right now that I lost this week. Yes, that's right. Before I'm gonna go through my stocks, I'm just gonna let you guys know that I lost this week. You guys know that the stock market just start going down starting Wednesday. So yeah, it's not just your portfolio. My portfolio is not perfect, and of course, it went down too. So for you guys who are new to my channel, welcome to my Moneymaker. My Moneymaker portfolio consists of 100% stocks. Before I start going through my slices, I'm just gonna let you guys know that I deposited $300 this week. The $300 that I deposited this week came from my option call win on Tuesday. You guys can also check that video out. I won $7,100 from my Zoom call. All right, let's go to my stocks. Let's change this to week, and we're about to see a bunch of reds. All right, we're gonna save no dividend for last. Now let's go to my technology, which consists 30% of my pie. Nvidia, I lost $48.68, which is down 3.97%. Microsoft, I lost $70.64, which is down 6.45%. Skyworks, I lost $26.05, which is down 3.47%. So as you guys can see, my biggest loser for this week is Microsoft, which is 6.45%. For this week, my technology lost $145.37, which is 4.73% return. My earned dividends is 37 cents. Now let's go to my consumer, which consists 12% of my pie. My consumer, McDonald's, I lost $4.27, which is down 0.96%. PepsiCo, I lost 84 cents, which is down 0.19%. Procter & Gamble, I lost $2.31, which is 0.61%. So my consumer did not lose as bad as my technology. This week, I lost $7.42, which is 0.59% return. My earned dividends is $5.66. Wow, that's an amazing dividends. That's one of the most dividends that I've gotten since I've started my M1 Finance. And 0.59% loss is not too bad. All right, let's go to my industrial, which consists 10% of my pie. Honeywell, I lost $6.49, which is down 1%. Waste Management, I lost $8.55, which is down 1.99%. So as you guys can see, these losses are not bad. They haven't even reached 2%. So for my industrial this week, I lost $15.04, which is down 1.40%. My earned dividends is $2.07. Now let's go to my finance, which is 8% of my pie. Finance, for you guys who are new, I only got Visa. My Visa this week, I lost $44.51. The return is 5.19%. I did not earn any dividends. So my finance tanked a little bit this week. Communication, it seems like the only winner for this week. All right, let's see how I did. As you guys know, I only have Verizon on my communication slice. This week, my communication gained $11.68, which is 2.06%. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's get to my no dividend, which is my favorite slice from my M1 Finance. I can tell you right now, this is my biggest loser. My biggest holding from my no dividend is of course Tesla, and it tanked a lot this week. All right, let's go to my no dividend. It consists 35% of my pie. Tesla, I lost $121.73, which is down 5.50%. Square, I lost $51.54, which is down 6.12%. Roku, I lost $55.72, which is down 7.49%. Wow, that's a lot of losses, guys. They are 7% from Roku and 6% from Square, 5% from Tesla. That's a lot. But it's okay because I believe in these companies, and this is only temporary. For this week, my no dividends, I lost $228.99, which is 6.0% return. Make some more money. For my moneymaker this week, I lost $429.65, which is down 4.04%. My earned dividends is $8.10. So yeah, that's it, guys. I didn't perform well this week. Hopefully, like I've been saying, it's gonna go up next week. If it doesn't, then I'll probably buy more, and hopefully the week after that it will go up. So like I always say at the end of my videos, even though the stock came down today, of course, if you have money, keep investing and keep growing your wealth. Don't panic sell. Believe in your stocks. You know, if they dip, buy more so that you'll have more and you'll have more money once it goes up. They will go up in the future. So that's it for this week. I'll see you guys again. My wealthy people, Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.